Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find a beautiful sea lantern photo spot in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. Right now there's an event in Heartopia. It's called the Sea Lanterns of Sentiment, and during this event you will be able to take a photo on the sea lantern photo spot. And then to find it, you need to go to this event menu and you're going to track the lantern release point. Okay, now I'm tracking it and you can follow the sign and then you will arrive at this lantern release point. And you can take a picture right here. Oh, it's so beautiful. Let me take a photo. Okay, and you can also release your own lantern right here guys. Okay guys, and that's how you can find the sea lantern photo spot in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.